Countries and Nationalities, by English Step by Step. I want that everyone listen and repeat. Are you ready? Here you go. United States. United States. American. Where is he from? He is from America. He is American. Brazil. Brazil. Brazilian. Where is he from? He is from Brazil. He is Brazilian. Canada. Canada. Canadian. Where is he from? He is from Canada. He is Canadian. Australia. Australia. Australian. Where is he from? He is from Australia. He is Australian. Argentina. Argentina. Argentinian. Where is she from? She is from Argentina. She is Argentinian. Cuba. Cuba. Cuban. Where are they from? They are Cuba. They are Cuban. Dominican Republic. Dominican Republic. Dominican. Where are they from? They are from Dominican Republic. They are Dominican. Guatemala. Guatemala. Guatemalan. Where is she from? She is from Guatemala. She is Guatemalan. France. France. French. Where is he from? He is from France. He is French. Ecuador. Ecuador. Ecuadorian. Where is he from? He is from Ecuador. He is Ecuadorian. Mexico. Mexico. Mexican. Where are they from? They are from Mexico. They are Mexican. Germany. Germany. German. Where is he from? He is from Germany. He is German. Peru. Peru. Peruvian. Where is he from? He is from Peru. He is Peruvian. Venezuela. Venezuela. Venezuelan. Where are they from? They are from Venezuela. They are Venezuelan. Colombia. Colombia. Colombian. Where are they from? They are from Colombia. They are Colombian. Italy. Italy. Italian. Where is he from? He is from Italy. He is Italian. Portugal. Portugal. Portuguese. Where is she from? She is from Portugal. She is Portuguese. Russia. Russia. Russian. Where are they from? They are from Russia. They are Russian. Spain. Spain. Spanish. Where is she from? She is from Spain. She is Spanish. Sweden. Sweden. Swedish. Where is she from? She is from Sweden. She is Swedish. United Kingdom. United Kingdom. British. Where is he from? He is from United Kingdom. He is British. Turkey. Turkey. Turkish. Where are they from? They are from Turkey. They are Turkish. Egypt. Egypt. Egyptian. Where are they from? They are from Egypt. They are Egyptian. India. India. Indian. Where are they from? They are from India. They are Indian. Japan. Japan. Japanese. Where is he from? He is from Japan. He is Japanese. Malaysia. Malaysia. Malayan. Where are they from? They are from Malaysia. They are Malayan. The Philippines. The Philippines. Philippine. Where is he from? He is from Philippines. He is Philippine. China. China. Chinese. Where are they from? They are from China. They are Chinese. South Korea. South Korea. South Korean. Where is she from? She is from South Korea. She is South Korean. England. England. English. Where is he from? He is from England. He is English.